Evidence presented this week at the trial of a man accused of killing two people in Chinatown included a videotaped interview with police. CTV's Amanda Anderson has the latest from court as week 2 of the second-degree murder trial for Justin Bone wrapped up today.
An Edmonton police sergeant who was a homicide detective in May 2022 testified this week at the trial of Justin Bone. He's accused of killing an employee at this auto body shop and the owner of this electronics store. The officer told the court about personal belongings seized from Bone after his arrest. He said there was a cell phone he believes belonged to one of the victims because it was in a language other than English, and the last call on it was for 911. He also testified a set of keys were found. He says when he took those keys to the scene, the key fob unlocked a vehicle behind the electronics store belonging to the victim. A forensics officer testified one of the keys opened the building's front door. Several photographs were shown of other items seized during the investigation, including clothing and shoes from Bone with presumptive bloodstains. Then video recordings of Bone giving an interview to police was shown. He appeared calm and answered questions, but at times was difficult to understand or saying things the detective told the court didn't make sense. When asked if he targeted the two men, he replied no, it was nothing like that, then said it was more of an emotional anger. As the detective started asking more difficult questions, Bone said he didn't want to talk anymore and referenced his lawyer. After one of the videos was played, Bone stood up in court and said, "These videos are fake and altered." A question about whether they were altered in any way was asked by his lawyer during cross-examination. The defense also asked about why Bone wasn't given timely access to contact a lawyer after his arrest and suggested to the detective who did the interview that most of what Bone is seen saying was nonsensical. A nurse also testified. Reading from her nursing notes, she said Bone told her he hurt his foot from, quote, stomping on other people. Over the past 2 days, the court has heard from several officers, including those who were with Bone at the hospital to have his foot checked out. One said the doctor did not find anything wrong with it after x-rays were completed. A construction worker also testified about an interaction he had with Bone moments before his arrest. He said Bone was yelling at him and threw a beer bottle, narrowly missing him. The trial continues next week. Amanda Anderson, CTV News, Edmonton.